So I think, networking is really, it's great, but you don't always have to pay to join networking groups. You could, like what we said, you can go to cafes, you could meet people playing soccer or basketball or the gym, and then your co-working space too. I'm sure you've met a lot of clients that way.
Yeah, and that doesn't necessarily mean you have to be a part of that co-working space. Like I mentioned, it could be one of their free days. I know you've talked about the cafes, sporting events, and there's also online. How do you feel about networking? Do you consider that still networking if you're reaching out to people online? Like I do this so often, just DM message someone on Instagram or Facebook, and I've met the coolest people that may not even live around me. Like I've traveled across the state after just DMing a photographer and then ended up having a relationship and friendship with this person and filming a video for them. And that was just because I responded or like commented on a photo, and then we just started messaging. I thought that was so cool.
Yeah. It's actually, I met one of my good friends that you've met through Instagram. Actually, he posted, he did a lot of drone work, and I would be like, oh dude, this is really cool, blah blah blah. We like followed each other. We would like comment on each other's work, and then I was at a shoot in Vegas, and he was also there for the NAB convention. So we were like, oh, we're in the same place. You want to grab a beer? And then we met up, and then we just talked a lot about video work, and that was like maybe 6 years ago. Fast forward now, he's been with me to Iceland. His name is Anthony, that Michael also knows. He's also hired him for shoots. I hire Anthony for shoots, and networking in any way,
I agree.
So you would consider that still networking?
For sure, yeah.